may math ba ang tourism? Mahal or magasto ba itong course na to? Anong difference ng tourism at saka hospitality? May research or thesis ba sa course na to? If ever iba ang strand sa senior high school mo, pwede pa rin bang mag-take ng course na tourism pagka-college? May height requirement ba sa tourism? Pwede ba bang trabaho sa hotel if you're a tourism graduate? Kailangan ba magaling sa English? Mahirap ba ang tourism? Required ba maganda ang ngipin sa course na to? Hi everyone! Welcome! It's me again, Dawn, and for today's video, guys, is I will be answering the most frequently asked questions that I have been receiving about tourism management course. So if you want to know, then please keep on watching. Sa video na to, masasagot ko lahat ng mga curious or most common question sa course na to. So what I'm wearing, share ko lang, no? And what I'm wearing right now is the shirts sa mga officer before when I was still in college. So shout out sa mga batchmates and classmates ko dyan. Kaway-kaway. So may way pa. And I really love this shirt actually kasi nakakapayat siya tingnan. Payat ka, girl. So now, proceed na tayo sa first question. May math ba ang tourism or required ba talaga ang subject ng math? The answer is definitely yes. Of course, kailangan po talaga ng math. I know na sa lahat talaga ng course may math talaga. Hindi man kasing complicated ng iba. Example sa mga courses talaga na related sa math. But sa atin, example sa tourism, hindi naman yung mga complicated. Kumbaga, mga basic lang, no? Para pag professional ka na, at least man lang alam mo yung basic sa math. Mga statistic, ganon, accounting, basic accounting, may subject niyan. Hindi naman ako yung sobrang nahihirapan talaga sa math. Pero kung saan talaga ako parang nahirapan talaga ng todo is sa basic accounting. Alam kong basic lang yan, pero sobrang nahirapan ako. Kasi more on analyzation talaga. Kailangan mo talagang i-analyze yung situation, asset, liabilities, credit, debit, mga ganun. Dapat balance. Ako, girl, kumbaga, mahina talaga ako doon. Pero sa statistics, na subject, hindi naman ako talaga sobrang nahirapan kasi. Kaya carry bells din naman yung subject na yun. Basic sa algebra, yung mga ganun lang na subject. Hindi naman talaga yung complicated talaga. So, don't worry. Tsaka kahit anong course pa yan, meron talagang maths. So, kailangan mo talagang mahalin or pilitin mong matutunan yung math para makagraduate ka. Kasi kahit minor lang yan na course, you have to pass it. Kasi hindi ka makakagraduate kung hindi mo mapapasa lahat ng mga subjects sa course na to. Ay, hindi lang sa course na to, kundi sa lahat ng course, diba? Okay, second question. Mahal ba or magasto ba ang course na to? The answer is yes. Just like the other course, kailangan talaga ng pera. Example, sa mga books, uniform, other requirements, no? Na kailangan mag-ambag-ambag para sa research, para sa project, maglaan ng oras, pamasahe, para mag-meet up, para mag-shoot, diba? Usually, sa mga minor subject natin dyan, marami talagang mga pa-performance tasks, mga project, na mga video, ganon. So, kailangan talaga. And of course, sa course din kasi na to, kaya siguro nadagdagan yung expenses. Kasi nga, may tour. So, sa course na to, may tour po talaga. But hindi naman lahat ng school required. Sa school, sa PWC, hindi naman required. And sa pagkakaalam ko, example sa UM or sa University of Mindanao, hindi rin required yung tour. If ever hindi mo afford na sumali sa tour, then you can have an alternative activity para makakabawi ka. Kasi usually, pag sasali sa tour, may mga points yan. If ever hindi ka makakasali, just ask the teacher what are the alternative thing that you can do para makabawi. Since you can't afford na makasali sa tour. And there's nothing wrong with that. If ever hindi talaga kaya, hindi na lang natin pilitin, di ba? At saka kung gusto, marami talagang paraan. And kung ayaw, maraming dahilan. Kumbaga, same lang din to siya sa other courses. May mga expenses din talaga. Uniform, books, and so on. One of the alternative things you can do, you can apply scholarship para matulungan ka to lower the expenses na babayaran mo sa school, diba? Dapat para tayong BDO, we find ways. Okay, the third question, if you are having an OJT or on-the-job training, kaninong expenses ba yun? Sa school or sa student? So the answer is, of course, sa student. Especially if ever na pupunta ka talaga sa ibang lugar o ibang bansa para mag-OJT. Care of po talaga yan ng estudyante, hindi po yan care of ng school. And when it comes to finding, example, hindi ka pupunta sa other country or sa isang lugar. Example sa akin, taga Davao lang ako, tapos gusto ko sa Davao. So I think it depends sa school kasi sa amin, kumbaga kami rin talaga ang maghahanap kung saan kami gusto mag-OJT. Kumbaga mag-a-assist lang yung mga teacher sa pag-send ng mga letters or sa pag-recommend sa'yo. But ikaw talaga yung maghahanap saan kang company pwede mag-OJT. Usually, pag mag-OJT, pwede sa hotel, pwede sa airline, sa airport. It depends kung saan yung company ang pwede or nag-a-accept ng mga OJTs. The next question, may research ba or thesis sa course na to? Of course, meron talaga. Hindi ka makakagraduate kung hindi mo natapos yung research or yung thesis. Kahit na first year ka pa lang, tuturuan ka naman. May mga subjects like sa English. Tutulungan ka kung paano mag-conduct ng research or ng thesis para pag graduating ka na, of course, knowledgeable ka na. May alam ka na kung paano mag-conduct ng thesis or ng research. Meron din nag-ask kung individually ba daw or by group. Based on my experience, by group kami. And as far as I know, sa mga other schools din na nalaman ko, by group din sila. So, wala pa akong narinig na individual yung research nila. I think it depends sa teacher or it depends sa school. Okay? Next question. If ever ba ibang strand nakuha sa senior high school, pwede ba mag-tourism? The answer is yes, of course. Pwede po if ever ibang strand yung nakuha mo sa senior high school and then gusto mo na tourism talaga yung i-pursue mo pag college, pwede pa rin. But, downside of that is hindi lahat ng subjects mo nung senior high school ay maka-credit. So, there are some, especially pag yung mga major subjects mo na related talaga sa strand mo before, hindi po siya maka-credit pag college mo. Yun yung pagkakaalam ko. Okay, the next question is, may height requirement ba sa course na to? Ulit-ulit ko na itong sinagot sa first vlog, second vlog, third vlog ko about tourism. Wala pong height requirements sa course na to. Wala pong mga physical attributes na kailangan meron ka para mapasok ka sa course na to. Whatever height, whatever skin color, whatever kind of teeth you have, pwede. Walang requirements sa physical attribute ng isang estudyante para lang makapasok sa tourism. Kasi hindi naman to flight attendant. Sa flight attendant, may requirement. Pero sa course na to, there's no requirement. Okay? So, no need to worry if ever 5 flat ka or 4'11" and so on. Go. If you really love this course and you think that this is really for you, then why not? Diba? Next, the question is, pwede ba magtrabaho sa hotel ang tourism graduate? Yes, of course. Pwede nga mag-OJT, how much more pag nagtatrabaho na. Yes, pwede po sa hotel. Okay ba magpataas ng buhok sa mga lalaki sa course na to? So, sa school namin, bawal talaga siya kasi nga sa course na to, kailangan kasi talaga na prim and proper, kailangan talaga malinis ka tignan, wala kang yung maraming balbas talaga na kung pwede, mag-shave ka talaga sa buhok, dapat standard. Kasi nga, sa course na to, sa hospitality at saka sa tourism, we have to really be prim and proper, we have to look neat, we have to look professional. Unless you have valid reason, like sa health issue. It depends pa rin yan din sa school, kasi may ibang school na pwede. But sa amin, sa Philippine Women's College of Davao, bawal siya. But it depends din kasi may mga situation na may mga valid din na reason yung mga student bakit nagpapataas sila ng buhok. Especially pag health issues na. Okay, next. Do you have to be great in English? Actually, I answered this question already on my vlog, on my past vlog. So I will link it here, wherein I explained the reason why. But for me, the answer is no. Pwede ka pa rin naman maka-enroll sa course na to. You don't have to be great or to be fluent when it comes to speaking in English. But what I'm saying is, at least you know how to communicate through that language, especially Tagalog. It's because in our industry, we'll be meeting different kinds of people who have different backgrounds, who have different personalities. And may iba rin na hindi marunong mag-English, so they prefer Tagalog. And then especially pag mga foreigner, they don't know how to speak in Tagalog, so they prefer to speak in English. So how can you communicate to them? How can you give the best service to them if you don't know how to relay information or to communicate to them? Kaya isa talaga siya sa mga importanteng bagay na kailangan mong matutunan when you are still in college. At please make sure na sa pag-aaral mo throughout your college, you are slowly improving, you are slowly going out on your own comfort zone in order for you to be prepared when you are already professional. Kasi at the end of the day, ikaw pa rin naman yung makaka-benefit niyan eh. Hindi yung school, hindi yung teacher, but ikaw mismo. Next question! Required ba maganda ang ngipin? So as what I have said, hindi naman talaga. Wala naman talagang requirements sa physical features mo. Hindi naman nila i-check yung height. Before ka ma-enroll sa course na to, i-check pa nila yung height, yung skin, yung... Wala. Kumbaga sa mga ganon, sa pagiging flight attendant lang po yun. So, hindi po tayo flight attendant, no? Kundi tourism yung gusto natin na i-enroll. Hindi po tayo applicant. Next, mahirap ba ang tourism? For me ha, walang course na madali. Lahat talaga mahirap. Kaya lang, kailangan talaga na gusto mo yung ginagawa mo. Gusto mo, kumbaga alam mo sa sarili mo na ito yung bagay na gusto mo. Kasi mahirap kung nahihirapan ka na sa kurso and alam mo na hindi ka masaya dito, alam mo hindi ka para dito. So parang mas nahihirapan ka, mas malaki yung burden. Wherein kung even though mahirap yung course, pero mahal mo, alam mo masaya ka dito, evaluate yourself, ask yourself, gusto ko ba talaga itong tourism na to? Alam ba yung mga pros and cons nito? Alam natin sa lahat ng bagay may mga negative at positive. And sa course na to, hindi perfect. May mga flaws, may mga pros and cons. And you have to evaluate that. You have to discover ano ba yung mga pros and cons. So for me, mahirap, yes, because it's more on memorization. Pero nagiging madali siya. It's because alam ko sa sarili ko, dito ako, ito yung gusto ko, masaya ako dito, and I can see myself na dito talaga, working in this industry. I can really see then this industry really helped me a lot when it comes to my personal development, when it comes to my character, when it comes to my appearance, because in this course, it really helped me to look neat. It really helped me to look professional kasi yung pagiging professional hindi lang sa pagsasalita kundi dapat nakikita rin yan sa ibang tao sa the way ka mananamit. So this course really taught me those kinds of things. Always put in mind, tourism is also more on memorization. Memorize mo yung regions, mga capital, provinces, delicacies, fiesta, ayata code, different countries, mga continents, and so on. So, marami. Pero ma-enjoy mo talaga. Kung alam mong gusto mo itong pagiging turista, ma-enjoy mo talaga itong course na to. So, don't worry. Easy lang yan. You can do it. What is the difference between tourism and hospitality? I love this kind of question kasi parang iba siya sa mostly tinatanong sa akin. And I always discuss this with my class. So, the difference between tourism and hospitality is that tourism industry provides quality attraction and events that would entice tourists to visit the specific place or the tourist attraction or tourist destination. It focuses on traveling activities that may include heavy planning and marketing. Of course, isang event, example, here in Davao, may Kadayawan Festival, may Araw ng Davao. So, yun siya, hindi lang isang tao ang nagtatrabaho niyan in order for that event to be successful. And it's also a way to market our city. It's also a way to encourage the tourists to visit our place. Because we know that tourism industry has really a great impact when it comes to the economic growth of a certain city or a certain country. Kaya nga, grabe yung effect ng pandemic kasi naapektuhan talaga yung travel kasi may mga travel ban. So, mga examples sa jobs na involved or nakafocus talaga sa tourism industry. For example, being a flight attendant. Kasi sa tourism industry, involved din po yan yung transportation. Just like sa pagbubook ng flight, involved din ang mga travel agent, tour operator. Next is the hospitality industry. It focuses on providing accommodation to visitors at hospitality-related industries such as hotels, restaurants, cruise, casino, and etc. Ang mga trabaho na related sa hospitality industry ay yung mga nasa restaurant, also yung mga catering professional, included din yung mga nasa cruise, pwede maging cook, Especially if magaling ka talaga magluto. Kasi sa hospitality, like sa HRM, they are more on drinks, sa food, yung ganon. Accommodation, like housekeeping, pwede din yun siya. And then, front office. Actually, marami pa talagang job opportunities na pwede dito sa course na to, but limited lang din po yung time natin. So, you can also have some research, no, to know more about this and to discover if this course is really for you. Pray for it, kung ano ba talaga ang para sa inyo. Kasi, ibibigay at ibibigay talaga yan ni Lord. When you ask for guidance and help, iba pa rin kasi pag may assurance ka na sure ka talaga na para dito ka sa kurso na to. So, wag kang magdalawang isip. Dapat sigurado ka kasi mataas-taas din na journey ang kailangan mong i-take. So, you have to really make sure na gusto mo tong course na to at masaya ka dito. If ever nagdadalawang isip ka pa kung ano ba talaga ang course na kukunin mo, I understand you because I have been there. I know what it feels. Kasi ako, at first, I was unsure because dadalawang isip ako kasi baka sobrang magasto, hindi kaya ng family ko, hindi kaya ng parents ko provide the needs during my studies sa course na to. But thank God because He really provided everything. And basta, cast all your fears, cast all your anxieties to Him because God is really true to His words. He is really true to His promises. As long as you just have to submit and surrender everything into Him. Surrender your plans, surrender your prayers because He hears everything. He knows your heart. He knows you more than you do. Diba? He knows you more than you know about yourself. So, just continue praying and ask God's help and guidance kasi I know for sure He will really help you throughout that journey. Okay? Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell beside it so that you will be notified on my next videos. If you have questions, suggestions, clarifications, comment it below and I'm going to read and answer all of those. Always remember, you are beautiful in your own special way. Bye! See you guys on my next one.